Hey, good morning, scientists. This is Mr. Morrow. Mrs. Burnt's not feeling well today, so I'm going to make a quick video about what is going to be done in science today. I've got two things, and so what I'd like for you to do is go into your Wednesday folder of week 11, and there you're going to find two things. The first thing is a Bill Nye volcano video. Mrs. Burnt and I put a lot of work into making sure you don't spend too much time just sitting in front of videos, but we really feel strongly that Bill Nye is just a pretty approachable guy, and he explains things in ways that are easy to understand, and we really like him. And so we thought this video was worthwhile. I think it's about 20 minutes. But after that, what we'd like you to do is click on this volcano tour via Google Earth. And so what we're going to do is, even though we can't go on a field trip around the world to explore the volcanoes, we can use Google Earth, and that's going to be something that we're going to do to learn about the different types of volcanoes that exist. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to launch Google Earth, and that all you have to do is type in Google Earth. Right, there you go, boop. Okay. And that's going to show up there. I think you're probably all familiar with Google Earth at this point. And then we want you to use your search tool, magnifying lens on the left side, to look up each volcano. Which volcano, you say? Oh, that's a good question. You're going to click on this assignment here. And what we've done is identified 4 different types of volcanoes here. That may seem like a familiar number to you based on the assignment you worked on Tuesday. And so we've identified 4 different volcanoes for you here. And so we've got Yellowstone location. You can probably guess where that is. Pinatubo, Sunset Crater, and the Mauna Loa. And these are all volcanoes, different types of volcanoes that have different things going on. So we've got the instructions here. And so what you're going to do is go to Google Earth, use the magnifying glass, and you're going to type in Mount St. Helens. There we go. Now that is a stratovolcano in Washington State, and I chose that because we're not actually using Mount St. Helens, but it will illustrate exactly what I'm looking for you to do. And here we are, diving exactly right into it. Boom. And so we're there. And so we can click on more info and learn about Mount St. Helens. Let's see here. We can also kind of view it in different ways. We can view on 2D, right? We can look right over top of it. We can look 3D. We can be the person, right? We can check it out. We can go to Dog's Head. No street view is available here. Let's see. Boop. There we go. So here we are, kind of walking up the volcano here. And this looks like a picture that was taken by John Simels, interestingly enough. And so maybe not what you thought a volcano was going to look like, right? Pretty interesting. Anyway, when you're done with that, we'd like for you to submit that. So answer these questions: where it's located, the type of volcano it is, what type of plate boundary it's sitting on, is it active, dormant, or extinct, the date of its last eruption, has it ever caused any sort of significant damage, loss of life when it has erupted, and any sort of interesting facts that you'd like to add. So that's the assignment for Wednesday. It may bleed into Thursday, if we're being honest. But I'd like you to get started on that today for Mrs. Burnt. If you have any questions, ask your substitute teacher to come give me a ring, and I'll be down to answer any questions you've got. All right, hope you have a great day. Thanks, everyone.